Hello everyone, welcome back again with a new video. In this video, we will set up a lab environment. Since it is illegal to hack machines that you don't own, we need to set up a virtual networking environment that we can hack. Step 1. Download the Metasploitable2 virtual machine from SourceForge, link is in my description box. Although there are new versions of Metasploitable available, we will be using this version because it is easier to set up. Step 2. Unzip the Metasploitable virtual machine. Step 3. Download Virtualbox, the link is in the description box. We will be using Virtualbox because of it free for Linux, Mac OS, and Windows machines. Step 4. After downloading and installing the Virtualbox onto your PC, click on the New button. A dialog box will appear where you would need to type the name of the OS, and machine type, and the operating system version. In my case, the name would be Metasploitable Linux, the OS Linux, and the version Linux. Step 5. The next step would be to allocate the RAM. Step 6. Next, choose to create a virtual drive and then in the next window select the hard drive type as VDI, virtual disk image. Step 7. In the next step, you have to choose if you want the hard disk to be dynamically allocated or have a fixed size. If you have enough space on your hard disk, you might want to choose the first option. Nevertheless, it's up to you. Step 8. Next, choose the name of your virtual hard drive and allocate the size of the hard disk. Step 9. So, now the virtual hard disk has been created and other settings are selected. Now click on Network. Set network mode to host only adapter, then click OK. Step 10. Now, the most important part is here. Click on Storage and upload the virtual disk image. All done and click on the Start button, it will take time. After a few moments, it will ask the username and password. The default username is msfadmin and the password is msfadmin. In my upcoming video, we are going to how we can use Metasploitable for hacking. If you have any doubts and queries, reply to me below the comments section.